Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into a unique and transformative challenge that involves doing 100 squats exercises every day for 30 days. You may have heard of the incredible benefits of squats, but what happens when you take it to the next level? Let's find out. Setting the stage. Before we get started, let's quickly go over what exactly a squat is. A squat is a compound exercise that primarily targets the muscles in your lower body, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. It's a functional movement that mimics sitting down and standing up. Strength and muscle development. One of the most evident benefits of doing 100 squats a day for 30 days is the increase in strength and muscle development. Squats are a fantastic exercise for building leg muscle and enhancing overall lower body strength. By consistently challenging your muscles, you're likely to see improvements in muscle tone, definition, and increased strength. Improved balance and stability. Another significant benefit of the 100 squats a day challenge is the improved balance and stability it can provide. Squats engage your core muscles and help strengthen the muscles around your knees and ankles, which are essential for maintaining balance. By practicing squats daily, you'll notice a remarkable improvement in your ability to stabilize your body during various activities. Boosted calorie burn. If you're looking to shed a few extra pounds, the 100 squats a day challenge can be a game changer. Squats are a compound exercise that targets large muscle groups, which means they can burn a significant number of calories. By incorporating 100 squats into your daily routine, you'll enhance your metabolism and turn your body into a calorie-burning machine. Increased flexibility. Flexibility is often overlooked when discussing the benefits of squats, but it shouldn't be underestimated. Performing squats through a full range of motion helps improve flexibility in your hips, knees, and ankles. As you continue with the challenge, you'll notice an increased ability to perform other exercises with better form and reduced risk of injury. Enhanced cardiovascular health. While squats are primarily known as a strength-building exercise, they can also have a positive impact on your cardiovascular health. Performing 100 squats in quick succession can raise your heart rate and get your blood pumping. Over time, this can improve your cardiovascular endurance, making daily activity and other forms of exercise easier to tackle. Mental benefits. The 100 squats a day challenge doesn't just benefit your physical health, but also has incredible mental benefits. Regular exercise, including squats, stimulates the release of endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones. This can help reduce stress, improve mood, boost self-confidence, and provide a sense of accomplishment. Tips for success. Now that you're familiar with the benefits, let's discuss some tips to help you succeed in the 100 squats a day challenge. First, ensure you have proper form and technique to prevent injuries. Start with a lower number of squats if you're a beginner, and gradually increase the repetitions. Listen to your body, and if you experience any discomfort, consult a fitness professional. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of doing 100 squats exercises every day for 30 days. From increased strength and muscle development to improved balance, flexibility, and even cardiovascular health, the 100 squats a day challenge offers a wide range of benefits for both your body and mind. Remember, consistency is key when taking on this challenge. Set realistic goals, stay committed, and track your progress to stay motivated. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fitness-related content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay fit, stay strong, and keep squatting.